chick bad, my chick good, my chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. My chick bad, and my chick good, my chick do stuff that your chick wish she could. My chick bad.
Hey, what it is, people of YouTube? This is niggaz about to show you a tutorial on how to get on Xbox Live without that network adapter, because you don't need it, no matter what nobody else says. Either your mama or your dad said you need it, you don't need it, alright? So let's get to it. Alright, people, so this is what you're gonna need to get on without the adapter. You're gonna need a laptop like this one, and it must have internet connection, or else you're just being a dumbass just watching this who doesn't know how to use it. And a 360, because if you think you can get on Xbox Live without 360, you're an asshole. You're a dumbass. Okay, and you need a Ethernet cable. See this? And so that yellow on the background, I'm not picking up because I'm too lazy. And yeah, you need this Ethernet cable right here. You see, I already have it plugged in right then and there. What you do is you turn on your 360. Suppose that you have one, that is. That never gets old. Never. Okay, it says I'm signed in, but you see I'm not connected to Xbox Live. So that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna take the other end of the Ethernet cable. You've already plugged the other one in, and you hook it up to this port way in the back. Don't stick in the first port. There's a second port underneath that you're sticking in there. Okay, once you have that, you just go to, oh, I forgot to turn the controller on. You go to system settings, and you go to network settings right there, and then you go to test Xbox Live connection. The first time it's not gonna work. I'm just telling you, it's not gonna work. As you can see, it's still trying to go. As you're gonna see, it's gonna have an error message. That's normal. Yes, right in there. There was a problem. But let me show you what you did wrong. Okay, so I'll be using Camtasia to record the screen. I need to show you what you did wrong. You gotta be online for this, just so you know. You gotta go to Network and Sharing Center. Go to View Status. What you want to do is next, you want to go to Properties. And after all this pops up, click Continue. What you want to do is click on this tab right here, Sharing. And it says Internet Connection Sharing. You click on this box, and you click on this box. After that, all that's gone, you just click OK. Wait for all that stuff to come. That was fast. Alright, once you do all that, it's time to test it. Back to the camera. All you have to do now, after you did everything else I told you, is this one final step. Come on. Don't worry about the computer. As long as you have everything else hooked up the way it's supposed to. The cable with the other Ethernet cable over there. The last thing you need to do is just go to Restart Test and just get it. No, the first time it does not always work. If it doesn't work the first time, I suggest you try disabling your Ethernet cable and then enable it again. See, it's going to Xbox Live right now. network has been connected, internet connected. Xbox Live is testing, it's doing it, and if it succeeds, a box should come up on the right side of the screen after all this finishes. It's gonna take a while to do its thing. In that box, X Live is up and running. Well, that's how you do it. I made this video because my homeboy Maurice Mccoy didn't know how to. Still can't. But hey, that's not my fault. Not easy. Now you follow this, be good to go.
This shit was all I knew, you and me only. I did it all for you, still you were lonely. We could've worked it out, but I guess things change. It's funny how someone else's success brings pain. When you're no longer involved, that person has it all.